Hey guys, today I'm going to go over some butterfly tricks that we can put together into a nice little flow. The first flip we're going to go over is very simple. So from a closed position, we're going to flip the knife forward, flip our wrist over, and then flip it back, opening our thumb for the catch. The second one is where we start to round this out a little more, creating more of a figure eight type of flip. It's important to let the weight of the handle dead drop so that you don't slam the blade back into your hand. For the third flip, let's slash forward and then bring it back as we spin and then back again. Our hands are going to mimic holding a baseball bat, one hand above the other, palms facing opposite directions. Now roll the knife off the back of the hand and into the other palm. Start with a palm up position, and I'm going to cup my hand slightly as if to hold a small amount of water. Where that water would sit is exactly where I'm going to place this handle. The handles and blades should be at right angles, creating a T shape. Now we'll pull the horizontal handle back towards us, creating the spin and allowing the vertical handle to fall right into our palm. Now we can start to mix these together into a nice little combo. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to learn more, head on over to Patreon, where we're going to figure out how to put finger and thumb rolls into this mix.